Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In this video we're gonna set up my weekly spreads for June. But first, let's flip through my monthly pages. If you haven't seen me set up those, I will leave a link in the description down below as well as the info card to my monthly setup video. For my weeklies, I sticked with the theme of sunshine and flowers. The stickers I use in this spread are all printed from Google. The photos are all from Unsplashed. Don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of inspiration. And now into the first layout. For the first week I decided on doing a bit of a free form, just having the different days of the week spread out over the 2 pages without a particular order. Just adding some pictures, doodles and stickers with a little quote for aesthetic purposes. For the second week I did something a little bit different. Because I did a more illustrative layout, I decided to draw 7 sunflower heads for the 7 days of the week. This might be my favorite weekly spread for June. I just hope there is enough space for all the things I have to write down. We will have to see if it's still my favorite spread at the end of the months. Thanks so much for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.